Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for showing up. If you're coming back, good to see you again. You're here because your motor's not running right or it's missing, only running one cylinder. We're going to verify by pulling the spark plug boot off the engine and cranking and make sure there's no spark. Make sure we don't have any connection issues, other things like that. Now this applies to a Coil engine here, but if you go buy off the reference guides and the specs, you're going to look at coil pack resistance numbers. I'm going to show you how to bench test your coil packs quick and easy. Let's dive right in. You're going to need to find out what kind of coil pack you got and get the spec sheet. It's going to be the part number. So you got right here, so you got a 2458403. That's one type of coil pack. The one we have today down here in front of me is a 2458436-S. The number is also right here as well. You just follow it off the sheet here. We're focusing on this lower level here. I've got my multimeter set into the ohms range. I've got the orientation here, shows the grounding mounting holes at point number 4. We've got a pin number 2 and 1, and the spark plug boot end is 3. So what I've done is dummy label these things. Here's what the good coil pack's gonna look like. We're gonna do as it says. We're gonna test from number 1 to number 4. 4 here, go to 1. So you're reading 590 ohms. That looks good, that's within spec. Spec is between 590 and 616. We're gonna move over here now from 2 to 4. We've got 196 ohm. That's right there in spec. It's between 183 and 208. Last one, we're gonna go between the spark plug boot, which is number 3, and to 3, and we're gonna go to 4. We got 9.67 thousand ohms, which is right in spec, right above 8 and below 40,000. So that's how you test, and that's what a good one looks like. Here's a bad one. This is what it looks like. Following the same here. We go from 1 to 4, so I got 4. I've got 1. We're reading 809 ohms. So that's already over spec from 1 to 4. Now we're going to move on from 2 to 4. We're at 196 ohms. Now that one's kind of in spec. That one's in there, right? So we've got a fail, pass. Now we're going to go from 3 to 4. On my 4, I'm going to go into my 3, which is inside the boot. Look at that, 118,000 ohms. So we're about 70,000 ohms over spec. So we've got 2 fails and 1 pass. And I can tell you, this guy here, it was on the mower. It did spark. It was just a very, very weak spark compared to this, which is a very, very hot spark. That's how you identify whether this coil pack is good or bad. Have a good one. God bless.